Hello everyone, today we want to introduce our all-weather rubber helmet like this. First, it has a deeply sculpted channels designed like this. This designed to trap water, mud, and sand. It is also flexible, like this. In even the coldest temperature and feature a protective, non-stick finish to make clean up quickly and easily. Second, to prevent the shifting, this floor mat has anti-skid ridge, like this. This anti-skid ridge is on the underside of the floor mat. Third, the car mat also can be cut by scissors, like this. When you cut it, it is along these lines to fit different car models. Therefore, it also trimmable to fit just about any vehicles, make it easy to create custom shape to the contour of your floor. First, there are three colors. First is black color, also have gray color, beige color to match your different car interiors. Fifth, this model can be made with logo to meet some client demand. We can make OEM rubber logo pad like this. Then we stick this logo in this position. Like this. The last thing is that the packaging is hot and had color cut, like this. The OEM brand color pad can be designed by us. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.